So we are going to read about the Bains circuits. So it's a Mapleson demodification. So we are going to check learn how to check this Mapleson D circuit or Bains circuit. So we have to check two things. It's inner tube and the outer tube. First thing we have to do is the check the outer tube. Outer tube we have to see if there is any leakage here or not. So I think this Mapleson D Bains circuit do not have any leak from the outer tube. So it's intact. So another thing we have to check further this inner tube. Inner tube can be checked by the two way. They have given it as a Smith test and the Pethick test. First we are going to do the Smith test. In Smith test what we are going to do is that we are joining this one to this oxygen source, and we are fully opening this APL valve. Then we'll open this flow meter to the 5 liter, for example 5 liter per minute. You can put anywhere. So we'll occlude this inner tube. Let us see what will happen when I will occlude this inner tube by this plunger. So this I occlude this one. There is a fall in this flow meter from the 5 to 3. So after this I will release this. It will come to the main original position. So this is the Smith test is positive. Then this means that its inner tube is intact. So they also recommended the another test that is called the Pethick test to test about this Bains circuit. In Pethick test we'll put this one to this source. Then what we'll do is that we'll open this APL valve to the full opens. Then what we'll do is that we'll just fill up this by this whole system by the oxygen flush. We'll do the oxygen flush. We do the oxygen flush. We'll occlude this outflow track. So when I will release this outflow track and oxygen flush is flow, this bag has to be deflated. Let us see it will happen. And when I will release this one, okay, this has been deflated. This means that the Pethick test is positive. The inner tube is intact. What is the mechanism of this one is that when I will do the oxygen flush, due to the oxygen flush there is the movement of the all air will be taken by this flow of the air from the inner tube, which will lead to the deflating of this bag. This is called the Pethick test. So these are two tests. One is the Smith test and Pethick test for testing this Bains circuit. Thank you.